My name is Hussein. I am from Iraq. I have come here 5 days ago. I live in a Viad camp, and we are very, very lucky to have you as a volunteer group and here helping us, supporting and providing the different kind of foods that we already use it.
I am Abdullah. I'm from Syria. I live in Suda camp. They are cook every day the lunch for 1,300 refugees here, and they cook very good food.
And the food is very delicious. Almost of time, it's more undelicious either. You can say. Sometimes you bring to us some yogurt with garlic. It's very delicious either. It's good for diet.
My name Walat Muhammad from Syria. طبعا هلا افضل من قبل اكيد، وكل مره بيحاولوا يطوروا الاكل الطعام اللي هن بيجيبوه. Gracias.